Anthony Romell. This video, we're going to talk about a challenge to get your object to move in different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to open up this transform script. And I do have GitHub Copilot installed. And so it does some code completing for me. You can use Copilot if you'd like. You should have been able to get a free version with your student account. What you can do is just go to settings and get Copilot working by going to plugins. And there should be a section for GitHub Copilot, and what you'll do is you'll sign into your GitHub account, and you'll be able to use Copilot to help you generate while in Writer. And that's completely acceptable. So here's an example of modding this script for a challenge. I don't want you to necessarily do this. I want you to experiment with a few things. Just try some stuff. One example is I have it rotating. I have it ping-ponging in X. So I have a variable X with a Mathf.PingPong with time and the length of 2. And then for the var Y in the update method or function, I have Mathf.sign and with time.time times 2. And then I have the var P is X and Y. But you can experiment with different things. I put in a rotating Y, rotating X, rotating Y. And so what my script is doing now, if I were to push play, this play button up here, is now I'm getting this interesting looking challenge. And I want to see what you come up with. So with Copilot, for example, if I were to get rid of this ping pong line and just hit delete, you can see I got a little bit of a code complete here that starts to pop up. I could type it out myself, or I could just hit the tab key. You can see I'm getting a new look. So now let's save that file and come back over here and push play and see the results we get. And you could see a slightly different variation on the transform that we're getting with this controller. So take some time in your challenge and modify your script. There's no right way. The only right way is to have no errors. Have fun. Try to learn Unity.